sort of out of a bit in the middle of nowhere, you could say, but the beauty is that we're just here with each other and with the ideas. So we have a couple of days where you can come into contact with people from all over Europe in this little corner of Germany.
We have rich discussions, panel lectures. We are engaging in a dialogue which is amazing. We're exchanging ideas, and it's a great experience.
When you take a small group of people and bring them to a small place and have them talk almost non-stop for a few days together, you can have a different kind of conversation that's more intense in some ways. I think that is a major drawing point for spending a few days in Imshausen.
I feel like any connection you make internationally or to a student at a different university could end up being valuable either to you or to the other person or to someone else who is looking on, both in terms of like a personal connection, future professional connection, or an idea you might get for your work.
The reason why I wanted to join this conference was very much because I'm interested in the topic of populism and democracy, especially in a place like this.
Questions about how democratic politics works and how it should work.
So I think the legacy of this house and Adam von Trott is a very essential thing to remember.
This house was meant to be like the hub for the ideas, for discussions, political discussions, and I love the idea that we are keeping the tradition and we want to move it even further and that I can be part of it.